Okay, the cross product of vectors. Right. Before we talk about the cross product of vectors, we have to review a basic matrix operation that we actually didn't do back in the first semester when we did operations with matrices. But you'll see it's a simple operation. And it's called the determinant. I mean, you might have had this. I don't know whether they do matrices in Algebra 1. But the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is this operation, right? The determinant is the DET of this 2 by 2 matrix, which I'm just using letters, right? It's AD minus BC, right? This times this minus this times this, right? Not too hard to do. Kind of almost like a dot product, except instead of a plus, it's a minus. Right? If I substitute numbers for the letters, right, instead of A, B, C, D, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, the determinant becomes 1 times 4 minus 2 times 3, which is -2. Now, the reason we didn't do this when we did matrices is because the reason you do it in matrices is because for a 2 by 2 matrix, you can find the inverse by doing this operation. You take your matrix that you start with, you switch the 1 and the 4, you put minus signs in front of the 3 and the 2, and then you divide it all by the determinant. That's why you calculate the determinant, which is fine, and it works, but you'll never be able to do that with anything other than a 2 by 2. Like, we wouldn't be able to do it on a 3 by 3 matrix. At that point, we have to use the calculator. And that's why I didn't even bother saying, let's go through finding inverses of 2 by 2s just because we can. Because once you know how to do it with the calculator, you're probably just going to do it with the calculator anyway.